What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Mechagodzilla. Let's begin in the center of our page with a straight line connecting the eyes. We're going to start on the left side, draw a straight line going across. And then from the ends, draw a straight angled line coming down and out. And it'll come down the side of the muzzle. Now I'm going to trace this along the inside. Starting from the bottom, I'm just going to flatten this off with a short line coming in. And I'll trace the inside, going up on the left, and then the right. Go up and in towards the top. And then we'll flatten this off. Let's go back to the bottom, step up and draw a straight line going across from left to right. And then we'll add a box in the center. Leaving a gap in the middle, draw two lines. One on the left, one on the right. And then we'll close off the top. Now we'll come back and add some more detail later, but let's continue with the eyes. Starting from these two top points, draw a short line going up towards the top of the eye. And then we'll angle the eyes going up and out towards the left and the right side. Let's go back down to the bottom, draw another angled line going up and out. And I'll connect the top and bottom with a curve. Just going to bend this out and then in. Let's add a thick edge along the outside. From the top, we'll step in, just follow that same curve coming back around. And then we'll draw a small circle on the top of the eye for the pupil, starting on the left side, go all the way around, and then back up. Do the same thing on the right side. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now we're going to work our way around the outside of the eye. From the bottom left, we're going to step down, draw another straight angled line, going up and out toward the side of the head. Line this up on the right, going up and out. Let's go straight up the side. Going up to right about there. And the same thing on the right. Let's pull this in toward the top of the brow, coming up and in. And we'll pull this back down and in, just following the same angle of the eye. We'll pull this into right about there, just lining up with the inside edge of the eye. Let's line this up on the right, going up and out. Let's go back to the inside, draw a short line coming down. Connect the bottom with a straight line. Let's go back to the top corners of the head, step in, draw two straight angle lines going up. And we'll close off the top with a straight line. Let's add two boxes on top of the head. On the left side, we're going to step in, draw a short line going up. Do the same thing on the right. Come in with a straight line. And then come straight down. Now from the side of the box, we're going to step out, draw another straight line going up. And we'll angle this up and in with a short line. And then we'll close off the top. And then in between the boxes, we're going to draw a straight line going across. Let's add a little bit more detail to the head. From these two top points, we're going to step out, draw two lines going up, close off the top with a straight line. And then from the top corners, we're going to step in, draw an angle line going up and out towards the side. Now I'm going to add a detail on the inside. From that bottom corner, step in, draw a straight line coming down on left and right. Flatten off the bottom, coming in, and we'll pull that back up towards the top. Let's go to the top corners of the eye, draw a straight line going out, and we'll angle down and out towards the side of the head. And then from the bottom, draw a straight line coming in towards the eye. Let's go back to the muzzle. From this point, we're going to step down, draw a straight line going out on the left and right. And then going to the center, we draw two lines, one going up on the left and one on the right. Now we're going to move down and draw the lower jaw. From the bottom corner of the head, let's step in, draw a straight line coming down, go to the right, step in, draw that same length line. Now angle the jaw coming down and in. Let's start back on the left. Come down and in with a straight line to right about there. Go to the right, come in towards the same height, and then we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. From the bottom corners of the chin, draw a straight line going up, angle that up and in, and we'll close off the top. Let's draw the inside of the jaw. On the left side, we'll step in, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom. And then from this bottom corner, angle this up and out, leaving a gap on the side. We'll go up with a short line, and then angle this back up and out. Now I want to give our character some fangs along the bottom. Starting from this point, draw a straight line going up, angle this down and out. Let's add another set. From here, go straight up, and then angle this back down and out. Let's add those cables inside the mouth. Starting underneath here, curve this in and then down. Step in, draw that same curve. Now add more cables along the side. Start from the top left, curves out and then down. Step in. We're just going to continue all the way towards the inside of the mouth. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to go back and fill that center area in black. Let's go back out to the side and add a hinge. From this bottom corner, we'll step in, draw a straight line coming down, and line this up on the right, and then pull that back in towards the side of the jaw. Let's add a little bit more detail to the chin. On the left side, draw a straight line going up, line this up on the right, come in with a straight line, and then pull that back down towards the bottom. And now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side of the chin, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, go over towards the right side, go out, and then down towards the same height. Let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down the middle, and then bending that back up. Let's add that spine coming down the center of the body. Leaving a gap in the middle, go to the left side, draw a straight line coming all the way down toward the bottom, go to the right, do the same thing. And then from the center of the spine, we're going to draw two lines, one along the top, one on the bottom. Let's add another set on the top, just underneath the chin, and then one along the bottom, just above the hip. Let's move out to the side and add the ribs. From the left hip, angle up and in, line this up on the right, come down and out. Let's go back to the left side, step up, draw another angled line. I'm just going to repeat this all the way up towards the top. And we'll line this up on the right side. Let's go back out to the hips, draw two angled lines, one coming down from the left towards the bottom lower torso, one coming down from the right. Close out the bottom with a straight line. Let's go out to the side, draw two lines going up, close out the top with a straight line. Let's continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. From that bottom left corner, angle down and out towards the inside of the knee, and then pull this straight down towards the heel. Let's flatten off the bottom of the feet going out towards the first claw. On the left side, go straight out, draw the same length on the right side. Let's flatten off the claw, going up and in. I'm going to curve the claw coming in and then down towards the heel. Now we're going to layer two more claws on either side. From the tip, we'll step up, draw another line going out, go up and in with an angled line. I'm just going to curve this in and then down in behind the front claw. Let's do that one more time. Stepping up, draw a straight line, angle this up and in, curve this in and down behind. And now we're going to work our way back up towards the hip. Let's start from the top of the last claw. Draw a straight line going up, come straight in to right above there, and we'll angle this back down and in towards the inside of the knee. I'm going to go back up to the hips and round out the side of the leg. Just going to curve this out and then down. Let's add some detail to the legs. From this point, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the claw. And then from the outside, we'll step in, draw another straight line coming all the way down. Then going back up to the top, step out, draw another line coming down. And I'll split that area in half with a straight horizontal line. And I'll add two more lines along the top. Let's go back up to the hips, step down, just follow the same curve of the leg, going out and then down on both sides. Step down, draw that again. Let's add some texture in that center area, starting in the middle, curve this up and then down. Do the same thing about halfway along the top and then the bottom. And then from the inside leg at the very top, we'll step out, draw an angle line coming down and out, and come down and in. Let's go back to the top of the first claw, step up, draw a straight line coming in, and then halfway along that line, come straight down. Now I'm going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, starting right here, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Let's flatten off the wrist with a straight angled line, going up and out. And we'll pull the arm coming back up and in towards the side of the head. We'll line this up on the right, going out and then down. Let's add some detail to the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the arm, curve in and then down towards the bottom. Then going up to the top of the body, draw a straight angled line coming down towards that seam. And then from the bottom of that line, we're going to step out, draw two straight angled lines coming down towards the wrist. Now I'm going to move to the center of the wrist and draw a half circle for the hinge. Starting from the outside, come down, and then back up. Let's go to the inside of that half circle, draw a straight line coming down. Go to the outside, go straight out. Let's add a claw on the end. Starting from the top, go out and then down. From the bottom, come down and then out. I'm just going to take that back up and in towards the side of the half circle. And now we're going to draw the tail coming out from underneath the right leg out towards the left. Let's start on the inside edge of the right leg. Curve this down and out in behind the left leg. Continue on the outside, going out and then up towards the end. Let's flatten off the end of the tail with a short line. Now the tail is going to get thicker as we come back in towards the side. Come down and bend that in. Let's add those sections inside the tail. From the top, we'll step in. Just going to angle this down and out. Step in. Just going to repeat this all the way in towards the top of the tail. Also along the inside. And then finally, we're going to add those spikes along the top of the tail. From the top of these two lines, just going to pull these in towards each other. Close off the end. Let's go to the second section. Go up and in. Close this off. Just going to repeat this all the way towards the body. I'm going to go a little bit longer as we come in. I'll add one more on the inside. Come down in behind the leg. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Mechagodzilla. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.